Hello, I hope you are doing good. This is Free Trader. Uh, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. We will talk about option today. How to read an option table. Basically, option is really simple, but most of the time, if you are new at it, it take you a little while before you know how to read the chart or the table. So we will get into it quickly. So here is a table of Apple, option table of Apple. So the symbol is right here. The description is here. The last price is here. The next and the net change is here. The bid, the ask. This is about the stock itself. So now when we come to the option we have the expiration date. The expiration date are right here on the left side. So I have chosen April 5th of 2019. So that's the expiration date that I'm working with right now. And I want to remind you that this is Option Station Pro from Trade Station. Okay. Now, the last price of the stock was at 180. So we have this yellow line. If you buy any put or call at this yellow line, it is called at the money. You are buying in at the money, just at the money, at this yellow line. And this is a call option. A call option is basically when you think the stock will go up. I'm talking about single spread. What you think the stock will go up, so you just buy that call option. A put option, when you think the stock will go down and you just buy a single spread of that stock, and you will control 100 share of that stock. Okay, now we have something that we call a contract. Anytime you buy an option, you are buying a contract, and one contract generally controls 100 share. It means that if you buy one call option, you will control 100 share of Apple. If you buy a put option, you will control 100 share of Apple as well. So this row is the strike price. It means that the price that you want to get into the option at. So this is the strike price. Now, this is a call option row on the left side, and this is the put on the right side. When we look at this, if you buy at this yellow line, as I said, this is at the money. But anything you buy above this is in the money, right? Anything you buy in this gray line, you are in the money already. So that is how it works. Anything you buy below this is out of the money. The same thing apply to the put option. Anything you buy here, you are in the money. On the yellow line, you are at the money. In this black area, you are out of the money. So how does option actually move, and how do you make money, and how do you read it? If I buy anything in the money and the stock, this way, you see where I turn the arrow down, the stock is coming to, let's say I bought it at 180, a strike price at 180, and I pay 450 for this option. So 100 share, that will be four it will be 450 bucks. That's how I will control 100 share of Apple. That's one contract. So once I do that and the stock come down to 190, I'm making money. I'm already in profit, and I'll be making money on this call option. If I buy a put option, I I buy it at 180. I pay three. I pay 3.25 dollar. With 100, that will be 325. I'm controlling 100 share. Anytime the stock is going down, because it is a put option, I will be making money. That's how you read an option table. I think with this chart, you can pause the presentation and look at it, try to understand it. This is the ask, and this is the bid. This is what the seller are asking for, and this is what the buyers want to buy it. This is the row, the blue one and the red one. You can read into it. It is simple. So I just want to make this video so you can know how to read an option table. Now there are many strategy about option spread. We have the vertical, the ratio back, the calendar, the diagonal, the straddle, triangle, color, butterfly, condo, a lot of them. I'm not going to talk about them today. I just want you to learn how to read the table first. So those strategy, I will talk about them later on. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.